What are you doing?
Making.
Wow, babe.
We need some honey to make it sweet.
Are you helping with the enchiladas?
Mm-hmm.
Making enchiladas. Hubby's shredding the chicken. And we went the easy route.
Mama.
We got this from, where did you end up getting it from?
Bonds.
Oh, Bonds.
Here, help me get this off.
Oh, yeah. Let me just pull it off. This chicken's gone now. Ooh, that's a lot. That's surely a lot.
What can I do my teeth?
Aw.
Okay, careful, don't drop them.
I can't. Make some.
What are we making?
What's it called?
Chicken?
Chicken Rios.
Chicken enchiladas.
Yes.
This is spur of the moment. And Harper is wanting to help. So hubby shredded all the chicken.
Olives.
I'm gonna put taco seasoning. We
I'm
like
gonna
the
put the
green enchilada sauce. And we like some olives. And we got tortillas and Harper. I got my helper. Ew. Ooh. Hey, hey, hey. And yeah, so we're gonna get started. All right, so I'm using this one, taco style, because it's what I have. So that's just gonna have to work. Okay, so taking this, pouring it in here. Whoa, that's kind of a lot, but whatever. Okay, so flour. So I use flour just to kind of thicken. My helper is back.
I want to do some powder.
Nope, that's all we need.
Oh,
If you can mix it up a little bit. Softly, like this.
Okay, I got egg.
Okay.
It looks like there's egg in there.
Okay, so next I'm adding the seasoning salt, or taco seasoning, or Harper is. Pour that into the bowl.
All of it?
Yes, pour it into the bowl.
Like that?
Yeah, now you gotta get cheese. Whoa, that's a lot of cheese. That's too much now.
That?
Yeah. Okay, now roll it. Can you roll it?
Put it next.
Next to the other one. Good job! Let's see.
Just put it in there?
Yep. Now you gotta take it out and put it in here.
Oh, I thought.
Yeah. Okay, now you gotta add some chicken. Not a whole bunch. Okay, you can eat one. Whoa, these are huge. Now mommy's gonna cut these. Watch your fingers.
I want to help.
You can't cut these. You can help put them all on though. These are huge olives.
Yeah.
Look at this. Okay, so here is the enchiladas that we rolled.
Mm-hmm.
Here is
Avocado. Wait,
no,
not avocado.
our olives. So we are gonna take this and just.
I want to help. I want to do it.
No, you're gonna do the cheese.
Okay. All of it?
The rest of this, all
All of this cheese
over.
too? All of it?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Okay. And Harper's gonna put the cheese all over. You're gonna cover the whole. Good job. And there is our, what are they? Chicken and cheese.
Chicken and cheese. Enchiladas! Enchiladas! Enchiladas!
Okay, there we go. And we have so much chicken left, but I'm gonna do another tray, so.
Got my water?
Thirsty? All right, we gotta put it in the oven. Okay guys, enchiladas are done. Rice that was from our tacos yesterday that I made. Got the squeezable daisy sour cream. And here you go. Here's Harper's plate. She did such a good job. And there you have it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And sharing is caring. We appreciate it. Also, put your notification bell so you get notified every time we post a video. And I hope you guys enjoyed our little recipe that you can do with your kids. They enjoy it. So, bye guys.